How to fix Path of Exile crashing on Steam. First, go to the library, right-click on the game, open up the Properties window, and then go to Installed Files and click on Verify Integrity of Game Files, and wait for this process as it might take a while to finish. Once this is done, go to the General tab and add the following command to launch options, -dx11, and then you can close out of this window. Next, you'll need to open up your GPU application, and then go to drivers. So for NVIDIA, you will need NVIDIA app, obviously. Go to the drivers section right here, and then make sure to download and install the latest game ready driver. You can also try to manually reinstall it if you have the latest one. And then you will need to open up your browser and search for Redist. Click on the first Microsoft link, and then scroll down to the second table and make sure to download and install the 86 and the 64 version, both of them. And once you've done installing or repairing existing installations, you can simply just restart your system. And then before launching the game, you will need to run Steam as admin. Right click and choose Run as admin. And then you can simply run the game, and that should fix the crashing issues. Thanks for watching and subscribe.